Listen closely. Life hits you every day: stress, doubt, fear, disappointment. You go to bed carrying dents, and you wake up a little more worn out than the day before. Your mind isn't broken, but it is bruised. And most people never repair it. Here's the truth. Your mind is a home, not a machine. Every day it collects cracks, from pressure, from people, from expectations. And if you never fix the damage, the entire structure eventually collapses. The ancient Stoics understood this better than anyone. Marcus Aurelius carried an empire. Epictetus survived slavery. Seneca lost everything more than once. They knew life will hurt you, but they also knew strength comes from daily repair. You don't need perfection. You need maintenance. Today, I'm giving you 12 ways to repair your mind every single morning so you can live strong instead of running on broken parts. If you're ready, comment. I repair my mind daily. 1. Throw out yesterday's trash. When you wake up, your brain hands you yesterday's regrets, awkward moments, mistakes, and frustrations. If you don't drop them immediately, you carry them all day. Your repair. Ask yourself, what from yesterday does not belong to today? Then release it, mentally or out loud. Yesterday is gone. Today is clean. 2. Check your foundation first. Some days you're strong. Some days you're drained. Most people ignore this and overload themselves. Epictetus taught. Decide what you can carry today, not what an ideal version of you could carry. Your repair. Each morning ask, what is my actual capacity today? Adjust your expectations before your tasks. 3. Fix small problems while they're small. Tiny worries grow into massive stress when ignored. A message left unanswered becomes anxiety. A small task becomes a monster. Your repair. Identify one small crack and fix it today. 5 minutes now saves 5 days later. 4. Remove what's poisoning you. Everyone carries something toxic, a habit, a belief, a person, a routine. You know what it is. Seneca believed freedom starts with removing what weakens you. Your repair. Name the thing poisoning you. Begin removing it, today, not someday. 5. Decide what you won't break. If everything bends, eventually you break. Your self-respect, your discipline, your identity, all become negotiable. Your repair. Choose 3 non-negotiables every morning. 3 things you will not break, no matter what. 6. Let the pressure out. Real strength isn't silent suffering. If pressure has nowhere to go, it explodes. Marcus released his pressure by writing each morning. Your repair. Admit one truth you've been hiding, to yourself or on paper. Release pressure before it destroys you. 7. Have a backup plan. Most people break when things don't go as planned. Stoics stayed calm because they expected setbacks. Your repair. Every morning imagine one thing going wrong. Then choose your response. Prepared minds remain steady. 8. Clear the mental junk first. The first 30 seconds with your phone can ruin your entire day. Notifications, noise, negativity, instant chaos. Your repair. Protect your first 30 minutes. No phone. No messages. No distractions. Just clarity. Your mornings belong to you. 9. Feed your mind strength. Your mind becomes what you consume. If the first thing you absorb is negativity, your day will follow it. Your repair. Choose one positive input first. A quote, a lesson, a passage, a video that strengthens you. Marcus said, the mind is dyed by its thoughts. Start your day with a strong color. 10. Test yourself on purpose. Avoiding discomfort weakens you. Seeking small challenges prepares you. The Stoics practice discomfort daily, not for suffering, but for strength. Your repair. Do one uncomfortable thing each morning. A cold shower. A harder workout. A moment of silence without distraction. Your training. Not suffering. 11. Check for damage daily. Small cracks become collapsed when ignored. Waiting until you break is how people ruin their lives. Your repair. End your morning by asking, what did I repair today? What still needs attention? Awareness is prevention. 12. Start fresh, truly fresh. Seneca said each day should be lived like a separate life. Not a continuation of yesterday's mistakes, but a brand new beginning. Your repair. Claim your reset. Don't carry resentment, pressure, guilt, or fear into the next hour. Start your day clean, stable, and intentional. If you follow these 12 morning repairs, your mind will become stronger, calmer, and harder to break than it has ever been. Before you go, remember this. Your mind doesn't become unbreakable in one day. It becomes unbreakable through small repairs, repeated every single morning. If today's video helped you strengthen even one part of yourself, imagine what the next one will do. So here's your next step. Hit that like button, not for me, but to remind yourself you're committed to growth. Subscribe if you're ready to rebuild your mind, your discipline, and your life, one morning at a time. And if you want to keep this momentum going, watch the next video on your screen right now. It dives even deeper into the mindset shifts the Stoics used to stay calm, focused, and unstoppable no matter what life threw at them. Don't stop here. Don't slow down. Your transformation has already started, now feed it. Click on that next video, and let's keep building the strongest version of you.